Hello friends, welcome to Gadget. In this video, I'll be showing you some unique features of Redmi K20. So without further wasting more time, let's check that out. Okay guys, to get started, the first feature in the list is dark mode. To enable dark mode, you just need to go to your settings and go to display settings and just turn the toggle on for the dark mode. So once you turn on the dark mode, all the settings, your notification bar, your dialer, everything turns dark. And it looks really gorgeous in this AMOLED panel, and it definitely saves you a lot of battery. So moving to the next feature in the list is to customize your in-display fingerprint scanner. So for that you just need to go to the in-display fingerprint scanner settings and you are greeted with 4 different options: starlight, neon, rhythm and pulse. You can just try it out and you can choose the best one you like it. So moving to the next feature in the list is pop-up camera customization. You get 2 options, that is visual effect customization and sound effects. So within sound effects you will get 6 audio sounds which you can try it out and you can choose the best one out of it. And if you feel that the visual effect and the sound effect of this pop-up camera is annoying if you are using it in public, you can just turn the toggle off. So moving to another interesting feature is fingerprint scanner shortcuts. You can find this setting within fingerprint scanner settings, and within that you will get like 2 options: press and hold and quick swipe advanced. So you can just turn on the toggle. So once you have turned on the toggle, so within the fingerprint scanner, if you just press and hold or swipe to your right, you will get some few shortcuts like access the barcode scanner or access the Google search or your calendar. So moving to another interesting feature with the ambient displays. So within the ambient display you will get a lot of customization options, like to choose the different kinds of display which is available. You can choose the best out of it and just turn on the toggle for ambient display. So once the display is off, it will just show you that particular ambient display with the date and time, and also if there is any notification it will just show it over there. So moving to the last feature in the list, and the feature which I like the most, that is while recording video you can utilize all the 3 sensors. You just need to tap on 1x to activate the primary camera, and if you click on 2x it will activate the telephoto camera, and if you click on 0.6x it will help you utilize that wide angle camera. Okay guys, that's it for the video. If you find the video useful, please hit the like button and do share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. So until next time we meet, bye bye.